Hey, I'm Thomas with Logan's. Thank y'all for letting me come back to your garden club to show you how you can do some arrangements for Valentine's Day or even Easter. So there's a little trick to how you can let your flowers last longer. I know y'all like to drink your wine, but if you add just a little cup of vodka to this, your flowers will last a lot longer. So what I always like to do is start off with greenery. You know, you have that thing with pots, thriller, filler, and spiller. So we want to do the same thing with your arrangements. If you didn't want to have something in a glass vase, you could also use Oasis and make a smaller arrangement. So what I do is add some of this eucalyptus and kind of gives it like a little spiller. Then, the reason why you want to start with the greenery is because it's going to give you a base so that your flowers can stand up and have different things. So if you just put your flowers straight into the vase, then they kind of would fall over, but this gives you like a basis. I actually cut this from Logan's ground, and so it gives you like a little green and white, so it kind of like pops off for your arrangement. Then the other important thing is every time you have one of your flowers, you cut them, so then it gets fresh water. I actually didn't have to spend a lot of money. I went to Trader Joe's and got all these flowers from Trader Joe's. You know, Trader Joe's is a great place to get flowers. Whole Foods is a great place to get flowers. Some of the flower places that you can buy from now, you know, they're a little more expensive. But you can get a good arrangement for maybe under $15. So it's a nice thing. So these are going to give some height to the arrangement and give you that red color. Then the important thing about like hydrangeas is you want to peel off most of the leaves, because the leaves actually suck up a lot of the water in an arrangement. So you want it to last longer. You have the vodka already, but you know you want the flowers to last a long time as well. So taking the leaves off gives it more time because the water is not going to the leaves that you're not really caring about. You're caring about the flower. So hydrangeas are great and they're very inexpensive, and it gives you a lot of like look to your arrangement. I think I used maybe 2 bundles from Trader Joe's for this, but it just fills it up and gives it a lot of look. I went with green because like I'm kind of a neutral person, so I thought that would work better. But then the thing is, we have to have some color. So I got these lilies, and so lilies are a great flower and they last a long time. They'll give me some white. Sometimes once they open, you need to cut the stamens out so you don't want to stain your clothes or that kind of stuff. But also, you could put them in warm water and they would open up a lot quicker if you're having a party or any of that kind of thing. So if we just put a few in here, we get that bright white color. Like I said, this is super easy. It's just like looking at it and seeing kind of what looks asymmetrical, where does it need more stuff. So it's really not that hard, and you don't have to go to your florist and get it. So what would Valentine's Day be without roses? So just a nice rose. So if they're not open, there's a little trick. You can go and it opens up right away. See, it's a little bit bigger rose in there for you, and you're not making it die before you want it. But yeah, you just blow it up, and then so what you're getting is not a super Valentine's Day thing, but it could last for a while.